Hello guys! I just received my order from Awair. So the Awair Element is here and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to set it up. Like really easy. The most basic way of setting up the device. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Let's open it. What we have here? Awair Element quick start guide. We are going to follow that guide in order to connect the device to the web. So yeah, get started. All the parts are here. Yeah, all the instructions are here. We're going to check that later. And that's the device. It's kind of lightly heavy. Yeah, it uses USB-C to charge. And then we have something else here, a charger. Yeah, that's quite nice. So we can use the USA adapter, and we have this extension for it. This is for the UK, so it goes like that. Yeah, and we also have the EU version. Yeah, if you want to use it, that's nice because we can use it for whatever or wherever we want. Okay, and now we have the cable. The quality is good of the cable. At least that's what I think. I can feel it. It's not thin. Okay. All right. Now we can just plug it to our power outlet. Okay, let's see what the guide says. Okay, get started. Plug the USB power cable into the Awair Element. Okay, we just plug it. And we can see the dots now. They're popping up. Now we have to download the app from Apple App or Google Play Store. And let's proceed with the installation. Alright, we're going to go to Play Store. And then we're going to look for, here it says Awair Home. Home. Then we can install that. So now we will sign up. You click on create account. You have to use the exact email address that you've used in the PlanetWatch website. Here I just had to confirm my email address via my email. And after that you just have to put your personal name. And now we are going to set it up. And that was fast, so you just had to confirm your email address. Okay, let's get started. Click here. It knows your name, find Awair. Alright. We give them permission. As we can see, the blue light is here, search network. Okay. Okay, location and interests. Click continue. Your device is ready. Let's see the other. Oh, there are no more steps for now in the guide. Okay, where is your Awair located? Let's say in my home. Which room? Living room, bedroom. I'm going to use living room, and the room is going to be room 1. Yeah. Alright. Device also name your Awair. Let's say Christians. And then click continue. Interests. So here you can choose your interests, what you want to Awair to tell you more about. So you can choose, if you have allergies, you can choose so it can tell you what it could trigger your allergies. I'm going to click the first one, which is the basic. I think you can change it later. Read easily. Okay. Alright. Temperature. Okay. Humidity. That's nice. CO2. TVOC2. PM. That's the dust. Alright. Awair. What? 77 is fair here. I think I have to open the window. Okay, change our display. Click the button on the back of the. Alright. Wow! Now we can see they're synchronized, so we can use it. And we'll follow with how to connect your Awair Element to your PlanetWatch account.